there are three important things to consider when installing a SnowGuard or a snow block or a SnowJack on your metal roof. Number one is design, number two is the size, and number three is the installation factor. So first, the design. First and foremost, the SnowGuard is constructed of 100% virgin polycarbonate material, the strongest you will find in the industry. You'll notice that the stop plate of the SnowGuard does not have a 90-degree angle where it connects to the base. We've contoured this angle out, and that increases the longevity and the strength of this breaking away from the base. You'll notice we have extended long gussets that go all the way to the back of the guard, and we have not one, not two, but three holes that fit a number 10 neoprene washered sheet metal screw. So those things make this small SnowGuard incredibly strong, strong as any large one that you will find without being obtrusive in size on your metal roof. Number two is the size of the SnowGuard you're going to install. Corrugated metal roofs have different styles. This particular one, you're going to notice you've got some peaks, and inside the peaks you have your valleys, and this valley here we've got two raised ridges. Now the problem is with a lot of SnowGuards is they're not going to work well inside of these valleys. You certainly don't want to place a SnowGuard that is overlapping these. The mini SnowGuard works well, it's just because it's narrow enough to fit inside of these type areas, which will allow us to get a good seal. Number three is installation. Will your SnowGuard seal? Will it last winter after winter? And if you think about it, your metal roof, it goes through a lot year after year. In some areas it's getting as cold as 30 and 40 below, and then in the warmth of the day, even in the middle of the winter as the sun beats down on your metal roof, it's getting up above freezing. So that's a lot of expanding and contracting. And over the years, it's been an industry standard that we install a SnowGuard with silicone. But a silicone has some faults. Number one, it's really messy to install and it takes time. It's also expensive. And next is silicone will break down. If you think about your shower, over the years, eventually silicone begins to break down and peel out. And so what we've done is we've created a gasket system that just works. The bottom of the SnowGuard has a built-in channel system. This built-in channel system works perfectly with our new Perfect Seal gasket. The Perfect Seal gasket is made of a low durometer PVC. It's going to last longer than your roof. It will not break down like a silicone will break down. You'll see that the gasket has a built-in raised ledge. That raised ledge fits perfectly inside of that channel, creates 5 points of sealing power for your SnowGuard. It's going to keep the water out. It installs 60% faster without all of the mess and expense of the silicone. To install the mini SnowGuard, all you need is three things: a mini SnowGuard, a Perfect Seal gasket, and three number 10 neoprene washered sheet metal screws. What's important to remember when you install the SnowGuard is you want the stop plate of the SnowGuard to be facing the peak of the roof. Never install your SnowGuards this way. This will allow water to get trapped in here and it'll cause all kinds of damage. Always install your SnowGuards with your stop plate facing the peak of the roof. When installing the mini SnowGuard, we recommend that your first row starts 12 inches up from the bottom of your roof. It's quick and it's easy. Simply place the gasket on the desired location of your first SnowGuard, place the SnowGuard on top of the gasket, take your three number 10 sheet metal screws and go ahead and put those through the designated holes. You want to tighten the screws down to the place where it creates a good compression of the gasket all the way around the perimeter. All right, so this SnowGuard has been installed. The pattern of installation is important when installing your SnowGuards. We recommend that you skip the next valley and go ahead and install this one here. So you're going to install your first row every other all the way across your roof. The next row that you install, we recommend that you go up 16 to 24 inches. So you're going to want to go ahead and install this here. This allows a staggered pattern and will help disperse the weight of snow across your roof. It's just good for the longevity of your roof. So that's installing the mini SnowGuard with the Perfect Seal gasket system.